This is an extremely profitable method that you can use to promote CPAGrip offers to earn $206 daily. I'll explain all of the steps in this video in a step-by-step format completely for free. So if you're ready to learn, watch this video all the way until the end, then take some action, and let's jump into the video. So we're going to be using CPAGrip for this method, as you all know from the title already. Now I'm not going to show you how you can sign up to CPAGrip because most of you have probably already got an account already. I'm on the CPAGrip dashboard and you can sign up and get here too. Now I've gone to offer tools here on the left, I've then gone to my offers, and what I'm also going to do is change my country to the United States. So here are the offers. You've got kind of like 6 offers at the minute. There are usually some more, but they change depending on what offers are available right now. The popular ones though right now are these PayPal gift card offers. So they have 2. They have one for mobile and one for desktop. So these offers here, so I'll just open one. They will pay you out $2.05 every time you can get someone to enter in their name, their last name, and an email into a PayPal gift card giveaway. I've got my VPN here open. I'm going to connect to the USA so I can go ahead and preview the landing page, because if you didn't know, if you're not in the USA, you're not going to be able to open this landing page. So now I'm connected to my VPN, and you can use a free VPN if you don't have an Express VPN like me. I'm going to then paste this in, and it should then open up the landing page, which we can check out. So here is that landing page. You can see our latest batch of gift cards has just shipped at now, and they can then go through this questionnaire. And then when they do, if they're eligible, which they will be, they'll be prompted to enter in their first name, last name, and email. And after they do that, you're going to earn $2.05. So what we're going to do is we're going to promote this offer. So here's what we need to do next. So you need to head over to a website called GetResponse, where you can use their free tools to make money with this method. So if you go to GetResponse, I'll leave a link by the way in the description below, click on it and it will take you straight to GetResponse. Here if we just go to pricing, just to make sure here, because I get a lot of people asking me like, we need free methods, we need free plans. This GetResponse website, if you scroll down, you can see they have a completely free plan. You can import up to 500 contacts, which I'll go over in a second. You can build one landing page and you can connect a domain all for free. So go ahead and click here where it says create a free account and sign up to GetResponse. I've already signed up, I'm already logged into my account. Once you're here, you then need to follow these steps. So first what we need to do is we need to go ahead and build a free landing page. So if you go to tools in the top left hand corner and you then go to landing pages, that will take you here to the landing page builder. Now you can make as many as you want, but you can only publish one landing page. So you might have to like customize different landing pages to get the look that you're after. But you want to create landing page here, and that will bring you to a new window where we can choose or build from a template. So you want to build from a template really. I like to go to sales, and you can find a template here which just looks good. You want something that's kind of simple, easy to customize. So I'll just find one here real quick. I'll choose this one here. We'll select this template. We'll give it a landing page name. So I'll just call it for the video, video 1 or video example. Then they have a landing page here. They also have a thank you page. So we're going to go ahead and select both of them, click next step, and that will load up the editor where we can edit and customize this. Now I'm going to do this really quickly on camera, but I am going to show you what tools you're going to need and what specifically you need to do. So we don't need any of this Earth Day special. Delete this logo, and then we can move all of this text up here. So move this text up here, and we can delete this. Right, so now what I'm going to type here is enter our giveaway, and then I'm going to make this bigger, and I'm also going to center it. And then on the second line, this is going to be the bigger font. I'm going to write $750 PayPal gift card, and you can do all of this, but it just might take you a bit longer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this font and make it bold. Right, so here we've got enter our giveaway $750 PayPal gift card. Now I'm going to remove all of this text here. Now we can move this up here, which is going to be the name and the email, and we can change this button text. So we'll move this. Right, so there we go. We've now got this field here. And there we go. I'm going to delete this one here. So now here I'm just going to add an image of the gift card, because you need a good landing page which looks decent. You need images and video. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to Google, and on Google I'm just going to type in PayPal. I'm going to grab this image here. We're going to right click, save image as, and save that to the downloads. To add the image, go to the image button here. You can just drag it on and then click edit or replace. And then you can go ahead and upload your image. So upload files, find your downloads, find the file, click add, and in no time we'll have this image on and we'll have this landing page complete. So click on this image. So now we're going to make this bigger. I'm going to resize this and I'm going to put this in the middle, and you can see this landing page is starting to come together. I'm going to change this text to enter for a chance to win. Then I'm going to make sure this is centered. I'm going to bring this up as well, and I'm going to change this text here from sign in to enter now. Okay, so now we've got our landing page starting to come together. Now, if I wanted to, I could customize it more. I could change the colors, but I'm not going to do that for this video. You just are going to have to take a little bit more care with your landing page. So now what you need to do is you need to go to next step. So now you're going to be on these settings here. It's the landing page settings. You need to then give it a page title and a description. Now, I would click here, don't index in search engines, so Google doesn't go looking at your website, because Google, if they see it, they're going to flag it as spam anyway, so just don't do that. And then in the description, you can write something as well, but it doesn't really matter because we're not going to index it on Google anyway. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down here, and when you get to subscription settings, it might be hidden, just open it. You want to then build a list so you can capture people's emails, because when you capture people's emails with GetResponse, you can send free emails using an autoresponder. So here's what I recommend you to do. Go to the top of this page and in a new tab, go ahead and hold down Control and then click on GetResponse, and that will open up a new tab. And here what you can do is you can go ahead and create a new list. So we need to create a new list, which when people go to our landing page, they can then join. You can see here it's already asking us to import a list, but because we don't have a list, we're just going to create a new one. So I'm going to go to the tools icon and then going to go to contacts, and here we can create a list. So go to create list, and you can then enter in a list name. Your contacts will see this when they subscribe. So I'm going to call it giveaway, and then I'm going to create. Now we've created our list, and you can see we've not got any contacts in it as of yet, because we're going to add them after we send traffic. So now we're going to go back to our landing page settings, and I'm just going to choose a list. I'm going to refresh so this new list gets updated. So click on this, click giveaway, and you can see they're confirmed opt-in, which is great. And we're not going to worry about this cycle of emails yet. We're just going to go ahead and save this. So now I'm going to publish this landing page, and here you can see the landing page should be live. So if we click on it, here you can see the landing page. Enter our giveaway, $750 PayPal gift card. Enter for a chance to win. I need to change that because there's a spelling error. Okay, so now you've got your landing page. I've just gone ahead and changed that spelling error. You can see you've got your landing page at $750 PayPal gift card giveaway. Enter for a chance to win. And then when someone enters in their name and email is going to go into our email list. So we're going to grab that email. And what you can do is you can also link your CPA offer, and you can go ahead and add that link to this button. So when someone clicks on this button, number one, their email and name is going to go into your list, and number two, they're going to be redirected to the offer, and then if they go ahead and enter in their email in the offer, you're going to get paid $2.05. Now the reason this is powerful is because you can earn $2.05 from them the first time, but if they don't decide to enter in the gift card giveaway the first time, what you can do with GetResponse completely for free, you can automatically email them every day, giving them new offers, selling them new things, and there's a lot of opportunity for you to make more money out of one person. You can do this all inside of GetResponse with the free plan here. So if I go back to GetResponse and I go off of the edit page section here, I can then go to tools, I can go to autoresponders, and what I can do is I can start to write emails and schedule them for different days. So if we create an autoresponder together, real quick, this will take 30 seconds. You can see here, you want to choose a list, so make sure you've got your giveaway list. Then when do you want this message to go out? Day one, same time as sign up. It's going to tell you what you want the email to come from and what your email should look like when you send the email. Then you've got your subject line, and you can then design a message. And you basically want to say, if you haven't already, enter this $750 PayPal gift card giveaway. Time's running out, enter fast. So now you need traffic to go to this system and this funnel. Now, a lot of people always ask me about traffic. They say, what's the best traffic source? What's the best way to do this? And the reality is there is no best traffic source for CPA marketing. People are looking for like that quick fix, but I am going to give you two, which I would do, one paid one and one free one. And I will give you two which are high quality and actually might work, right? You're going to have to try this and test this yourself because I don't know what your strengths are and what you're good at. The first one is to go to a marketplace like SEOclerks.com, and you can use some of these services on here. So I searched for email lists, and people have massive email lists which they will give to you for as little as $5. So if I scroll down here, you can see they'll provide the targeted countries bulk email list for email marketing. So this is what you want, right? You want emails and you want them to go into your funnel so you can send them an auto response sequence promoting your offers. And you can see here, bulk email list, targeted country, and they're good for CPC and CPA offers. And this is just $5. And you can find these people everywhere who have like, you want obviously American emails, but you can find American emails in bulk on all of these marketplaces like SEO Clerks, Fiverr, Upwork, and so on. And you can use these, and it's just a punt, right? $5. It's just a punt, but if you get 2 people or 3 people to sign up out of those 500, then you've made your money back and you're starting to make profit. Now, if I was to do this the free way and get traffic into my landing page, I would use YouTube. Like, honestly, I would use YouTube. Now, I want to show you a video here which anyone can make, which is perfect for driving traffic into these PayPal offers. So this video is how to make $215 a day using some Temu app, right? And what these people will do is they'll create a video with their phone, like they would record their phone screen, showing a free PayPal Money app. So you can see he's just talking over it and he's just explaining this PayPal Money app and how it works. And you can go ahead and download this app and just basically say the same thing. Then at the start of the video, the end of the video, the middle of the video, you want to say, I'm running a free PayPal gift card giveaway. If you want to go ahead and enter, the link will be in the description. And then you'll get a load of people, a load of free traffic. Go to your description, click on your link like he's got here, and enter the gift card giveaway, which is going to in return make you $2.05 every time. And you can see 63,000 people have viewed this video. So YouTube is a crazy good traffic source, which if you haven't already, you need to jump on. So let me know if you've got any questions about this method. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know if you're going to use YouTube, and watch this video here if it does help you out as well.